Alright. We're back with another, Snoop Dogg for the playlist, y'all probably like, wait.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
That's not it. Yes, it is. This is a part of the Snoop Dogg YG 400 merch release, as you can tell. Alright. So, today we're baking again. I'm gonna do the actual food stuff. He got a few recipes that I could do that I can eat in here, so I'm gonna be messing with some of those. So today we're doing Rolls-Royce PB chocolate chip cookies. Now, yes, we did peanut butter chocolate chip cookies on this channel before, but let's see if these are better than the ones that I stole from that other lady. I don't bake, so I had this still. I'm not telling y'all who it was, but if you was watching my stream that one day, I did reveal who it was, and I will steal from her again. She ain't gonna do nothing. So this says it serves up to 3 dozen. Do the math. That's 12 times 3. That's too many. I'm not eating them anyway. He gonna take them all. I can't give them to my little brother because every time I give him something, you cut off, right? I don't care if you live upstairs. You're done. Alright, so we're gonna start this out, right? It says for in a small bowl, stir together the flour, baking soda, and salt. That's how they always start these off, right? Okay, so AP flour. Let's get it in. Going in. Yeah, that's a lot of white, I ain't gonna lie. And it's asking for me to whisk it. I got a secret drawer right here, don't play. Secret compartments. Alright, so we just gonna whisk this, right? Until it's like incorporated or whatever. Oh, you do that in a small bowl. How many fucking bowls they think I got? I live alone. I don't need everything. Like, God damn. God damn! We have to add our brown sugar, right? Ooh, it's like moon sand. And it's asking for a half a cup of sugar. Alright, so we have to mix this all together. Thank you, TT, for this.
I appreciate that.
Alright, so it's telling us to mix this all together. Let's get the mixing. Alright. It said on medium. What's considered medium? Alright, so it says gradually stir in the flour and the chocolate chips. Alright. Gradually. I might have overwhipped this hoe.
Whip it real hard.
I want to get in there with the rubber spatula so I can make sure I get all of the flour off the bottom as well. Whatever flour that's stuck to the bottom, mix. I do have a cookie recipe I was fucking with on my own. Maybe I'll do it one day. It's with the ube. Shouts to Hava for the ube. That's like the purple color. It's pretty sick.
Hey.
And the vanilla.
When would you put that in?
With the after the fucking peanut butter and the butter.
Go ahead and add it in. That's fine.
Yeah, we just gonna add it already. Listen.
I mean, if you go ahead and whip it in there, it should be fine. Man.
Nah. You just go. I'm gonna act like I'm big. This might, I don't know, man. This shit might fuck this shit up. Alright, I'm gonna start adding them in. Use up a whole fucking bag of my chocolate chips again. Snoop owe me some goddamn money. Shit, I make them shit stretch. Half a cup. More cookie than chocolate. Alright. I feel like this is good. I guess we start scooping. A little, I don't know, maybe I think I fucked this up though. I think I fucked it up. I think I overwhipped the, what's it called?
Whip it real hard.
The egg and all that shit. I got parchment paper. Alright. start scooping this on here. Yeah, I think I fucked these up. Hey, worst come to worst, it came out bad. We got 12 going in. Let's see how this goes. So guys, this is gonna be a lot to fucking do. Place one sheet on the upper rack, one on the lower rack for 8 to 10 minutes until golden. Switching the sheets top to bottom and front to back halfway through baking time to ensure even baking. What I'm gonna do is just throw these bitches in there for 11 minutes. And that's it. I'm gonna throw it in the oven, and then it's gonna be it's gonna be bouncing off the walls. So that's the goal. It's gonna cook in motion. Alright, so we're back. I thought I fucked up. They came out to be looking like, they look real good. What you think? I ain't gonna lie, they just got me a little hype. I shouldn't be eating shit like this because, you know, I'm dieting or whatever. Like I eat very minimal. If y'all want to see what I eat, I'll probably do some shorts on that. I'll show y'all what I eat for breakfast throughout the day. Just let me know if y'all do want to see that. But let's get to the cookie. Not giving nothing to my brother, although I might, because I just put some more in the oven. 3,000, it's not possible. Looking at the camera like it's the old days. Hey, flashback.
Y'all can see me.
Let's get to tasting these though. They soft too. They're really soft. Like, look at it. Come on, peep the bottom. Hey, hold on. No snap, cause it's soft. What the fuck? Am I like really nice now or some shit like that? Haba. You know? Itadakimasu. So soft. This is good. Oh man. If y'all want the book, if y'all got this far in the video, if y'all want the book, put a leaf in the chat. That's how I'm gonna figure out who I'm adding into the fucking giveaway for the book, the cookbook. Y'all need this recipe. I'm not lying. This is good. I can't take credit for it. Like, obviously, I can take credit on behalf that I made them, but this ain't my recipe. Oh my god. And it was simple. Listen, I fucked up a few times, but this book is really good. God damn. Adults gotta eat. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Y'all know what to do. Leave emoji in the comments and I'm gonna put you in the giveaway selection. Funniest comment in the next few videos and a leaf emoji. You know, so I'm picking out of the two. Maybe I'll do the third one. Yeah, 3. We'll do 3 books. Guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, wait, I gotta keep doing this. You gotta keep making sure you put all of me's doing that. And catch y'all.